At Phillips Home Improvements, we understand that dealing with the aftermath of a hailstorm can be overwhelming for homeowners. Hail can wreak havoc on your property, leaving behind a trail of damage that requires immediate attention. In this video, we aim to guide you through the process of recovering from hail damage, ensuring your home is restored to its former glory. Let's explore the essential steps you should take when your home has been damaged by hail. Roof inspection and repair. The roof is often the most susceptible to hail damage. Engage a professional roofing contractor to conduct a thorough inspection to determine the extent of the damage. They will assess the condition of shingles, flashing, and other roofing components and recommend the necessary repairs or replacement. Prompt action is crucial to avoid further issues such as water leaks and structural damage. Contact your insurance provider. Promptly notify your insurance company about the hail damage to your home. Provide them with all the necessary information, including the date and time of the hailstorm, as well as the documented evidence of the damage. They will guide you through the claims process and inform you about the coverage and reimbursement options available to you. Engage professional assistance. Consider hiring a reputable home improvement company like Phillips Home Improvements to handle the restoration process. They will have the expertise and experience to accurately assess the extent of the damage and provide a comprehensive plan for repairs. Professional contractors can also assist you with navigating the insurance claim process, ensuring you receive fair compensation for the damages. Temporary repairs. To prevent further damage and ensure the safety of your home, it's essential to undertake temporary repairs as soon as possible. Cover broken windows with plastic or board them up securely. Tarp damaged areas of the roof to prevent leaks and water infiltration. However, it's crucial to consult with professionals before attempting any repairs yourself, as certain tasks may require specialized skills. Document and keep records. Throughout the restoration process, maintain detailed documentation of all expenses incurred, including invoices, receipts, and communications with contractors and insurance providers. This documentation will be vital for insurance claims and can help expedite the reimbursement process. Dealing with hail damage can be a challenging and stressful experience for homeowners. However, by following these steps and seeking professional assistance, you can ensure a smooth and efficient restoration process. At Phillips Home Improvements, we are committed to helping homeowners recover from hail damage and restore their homes to their full glory. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for expert guidance and assistance. Call today at 214-382-9400 for a free consultation.